can pass by the platform of Bukit Brown at the inside the tunnel lah. So from what I know, Botanic Garden and Cradle Court, dia punya number kan circle line kan.
Dah.
Okay, so the circle line, the number of Cradle Court is CC17.
Okay.
Station number CC17 whereby and Botanic Gardens is CC19. So where the hell is CC18?
Bukit Brown
Yes sir. It's
Wala,
Bukit Brown.
lagi tu.
Okay, so on the way from Cradle Court to Botanic Garden, so on the way you can pass by the platform of Bukit Brown at the inside the tunnel lah. So dia punya platform is just laju gila lah, pasal MRT tak stop apa. So laju gila, kau boleh macam nampak a glimpse of Bukit Brown punya platform kat bawah situ. So that's where people will get curious lah. Asal tak stop ada apa kat situ